So here we have another clock video. This one's on an aftermarket radio. This is the Sony radio that was quite popular a few years back. I've got two of them. I love them. They're great. Can't get enough of them. I mean, I love this thing. But like all other radios, you have to start with the key off. So what you're going to do is, this one's in my 97 Escort. So you're going to turn your key on till you get your lights. Okay. Then you're going to hit your source button and hold it till it goes off. You have to have the radio off for this to work. Then the center dial, you're going to push and hold until you get your display up. It's going to bring up your main menu. You're going to roll this back to where it says set clock adjust. And you're going to tap it one more time. Left will go down, right will go up. So you're going to go roll down one time. Click it twice and you're done. Real simple. Then you can turn your radio back on. So that's all there is to it. We got one more to go. It's going to be for every foreign car on the planet, so stay tuned.